Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we're here with our Sweet Sunday review, and we are doing a power washer. We have one of these, actually a couple of them, and we are blown away with them. They're extremely quiet, they are very easy to use, and very powerful. So let's go through and show you what this thing can do. Now, while Carmela opens it up,
You're gonna have to edit.
we will now put it together. And always be careful if you're using a razor knife that you do not cut a flange. We have a slick trick for you right after this, so make sure you stick around for the slick trick. Julio, tell everybody where they can get this fine power washer. Alright, we'll carry it up front, plug it in, and it does have a breaker on it if you look on the plug itself. So if you get it in any water, too much water, it will actually shut it off. And usually the green or yellow nozzles work the best. Comes with a nice little baggie full of them. So we'll put the green one on to start. Alright, you can see that the handle will hold your spray tips. We have the green one in now, and the hose is hooked up. We're ready to go. Now it does have automatic shut off, so every time you hit it, like she just hit it, and then when you let off, it shuts off so it does not burn the motor up. Now we're going to go up to the building now. We were planning on doing this trailer, but because of this video here, we don't have to do it because of the product we used on that trailer. After 1,000 miles, it's still spotless. So we're going to focus on this catastrophe right here. And it is bad. So she'll start here at the top and show you, and we'll do a before and after so you can get an idea how good this thing works. All right, Carmela, have at it. I want to get really close. There we go. She's going to do one swipe right through the middle of it to show you how it peels it right off. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Is that not amazing? You could probably write S2C right in the middle of that thing. Try that, Carmela. See if you can write S2C. Wow, that's amazing. Folks, you're going to love this. It's very cost effective, very quiet. It will not mess with your neighbors, will not get upset. You can find the link right in the show more.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
We highly suggest picking one of these up. And folks, with this, you don't need any cleaner. Just the power of this power washer. One thing about this power washer, it uses very little water, so it's very efficient. You're not wasting precious water like many of the power washers out there. Right, you can see how clean it is compared to what it was, and listen how quiet this is. I'm talking to you in a regular voice right next to it.
break time, break time, break time, break time.
All right, guys and gals, here's your slick trick. Now, any of you that have ever had a power washer and you have a tough time getting your hoses off right here, that's because you have to release the pressure. And I know some of you have thought, how can I not get this off? And you put vice grips on it and everything. You got to turn the water off and then take the spray handle and release the pressure, and these will come right off. Sweet, slick trick.